things are very clear at the time. Number one is they, this network was active in multiple places, not only in Jammu and Kashmir, but also in Haryana's Faridabad and in the national capital. That is why this case has been now handed over to the National Investigative Agencies, which specializes in counter-terrorism activities. Now, as far as the investigations are concerned, in last 2 weeks, several new things has unraveled as far as Jammu and Kashmir police's investigation is concerned. Several key individuals were detained, arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police, which led the police to conduct searches and operation in Faridabad, where huge amount of explosives were discovered by the police, and that is when the police got the tip off that there is one person, Dr. Umar Muhammad. He is absconding in the case, and at that point of time, Preeti, this is yesterday morning, that was a crucial piece of information which was shared to the intelligence agencies as well as the Delhi police. But anyhow, Dr. Umar Muhammad, he left Faridabad in the morning. He was at Lal Killa, where I'm standing, in the evening, where he carried out the blast in this area, killing 9 innocent people. So as of now, the police at this point of time, especially the NIA, which is carrying on the investigation, they believe that it is a larger network. Only some of the individuals have been so far arrested or identified. Today we saw that there were at least half a dozen people, not
Right.
only in Jammu and Kashmir, but also in Faridabad. They were questioned by the state police, to find out the network of Dr. Umar Muhammad. So it is something which will unravel in coming days. It is a larger network. It is yet to be clear that which
Right.
terror group was behind this particular terror attack, but it is believed that Jaish-e-Mohammed might be behind this terror attack. But once the NIA starts their investigation, which they have begun today, they will be able to not only detain and arrest and identify the main conspirator of this network, of this module, but they will also be able to unravel who were the conspirators, if at all they are sitting
Okay.
across the border, who were those individuals. So it is going to
Okay.
unravel in coming days, Preeti.
I just want to bring in Shreya very quickly. Shreya, if you can quickly encapsulate from where Manish, left this. So, what seemingly is a larger shadow of terror that persists? Is there now a clear and present danger, a security threat? Delhi is under high alert. Cities like Bombay are still under high alert. What are you picking up?